How to sound like an Arabic native speaker with only 3 words. Okay, the 3 words I want you guys to remember. Number 1, يعني, and then second one, wallahi. Third one, صراحة. يعني is kind of like saying like. It literally means, it means. So it's kind of like the English, I mean, like, filler word, okay? These are all filler words. Wallahi is literally, I swear to God, but also used as a filler word. Saraha, in honesty or honestly. So if someone asks you a question and you don't know how to respond, so like كم سنة صار لك في دبي, وين بتشتغل, كم ولد عندك, all these questions are like, oh, I just know how to say اسمي. You can buy yourself time by saying يعني, wallahi, بصراحة, and then just run away. or figure something out. ما بعرف, I don't know. But يعني, wallahi, بصراحة, your 3 very key filler words.